Hi, we're all the way on to number 5 of my Learn to Write course, and you've noticed that all the letters so far are starting with a k, 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 and today's is exactly the same. It's a little bit different, obviously, but it does start with a k. It's the letter g, g, g. So are you ready? Here we're going to start at the top of the page and you'll see why in a minute. Let's turn it this way. Here's our curly k. Then we're going to go up, just the same as if we were doing an a. Then we're going to go down again as if we were doing an a, but this time we're going to put a long tail on it. Down, 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 down. Flick it under like that. Big long, I call it a long monkey tail, and then flick it back up like that, ready to join onto your next letter. Doesn't it look funny? Okay, but it did start with a k. Let's have a little practice with our magic pencils. Are you ready? Get your magic pencil, sharpen it up. Ready? Start with our curly k. Down again. Now we're going to go up. This time we're going down, 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 down. It's got a long monkey tail. Curl it under that way. And then flick it back up again. Superstars, let's try again. Let's do our curly k first. Here's our curly k, brilliant. And then we're going to go up, down. This time instead of a long stick up, we're doing a long stick down. Let's travel down, 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 down. Give it a curly bit at the bottom and then round and loop it up. Let's try one more time, shall we? Let's start with our curly k. Up, down and round. There's a lovely curly k. Up, 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 up. Down, 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 down. Give it a curl under and loop it back up again. Fantastic. Let's go and practice that on some paper. Right, we're going on to practicing our g, and this is why we started with having a line, because there's something a little bit different about a g. So get your pen or your pencil, whatever thing you're going to use, and remember you need to hold it near the end where you write with, and you need to use your 3 fingers to hold it tight. Okay, now it's going to start, you know, exactly the same way like a curly k. And we're going to go up. But this time we're going to go down, down, down under the line. Remember I said it was like a monkey tail hanging down and then round. And then you're going to flick it back up to cross over the line. And having the line just reminds us that that tail needs to hang down underneath the line. Okay, here we go. Let's try another one. Do a curly k. The k sits on the line as usual. And then down, 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 down. The g has a long tail that hangs down. So remember, you don't take your pen off for the whole journey. It stays on the page. Down, 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 and then up and round. And there's your g with its long hanging tail. Now, when you've practiced some on the line, then you can just practice them on the page. But it's good to practice on the line because you can see what's different about the g is that it is under the line for part of the letter, which is a bit different from the other letters that we've done so far. Remember, if you're worried about forgetting the journey that you need to take, get your grown-up to do it in a lighter coloured pen or pencil, and then you can choose a darker colour and go over the journey that their pen has made. So we're going to do a curly k, up, down, 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 and then loop round. Fantastic. So remembering the journey. It doesn't matter if yours looks a little bit different, as long as you've taken the same journey with your pen. So it doesn't matter if yours is, maybe it's wobbly looking or maybe it's spiky looking, as long as you've done exactly the same journey. Fantastic. And you can practice, fill your whole page with different colours. Brilliant. Let's go and practice the g's in a different way now. Right, now that we've practiced that on paper, we're going to have a more fun way of practicing, and today we're going to need some paint. Any kind of paint will do, and of course a paintbrush and something to paint on. Paper's fine. Here you go, you need lots of paint to make sure you don't run out of it halfway through the letter. Start off like a curly k, and then you need to go down, 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 down under the loop, and then flick it back up again. Brilliant. Let's try again. Get some more paint on your brush. Let's make our curly k first. Here we go. Up, down, 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 that long monkey tail, and then up, 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 flick it up, ready to go on to the next letter. Should we do one more together? So here we go. Let's do it over this side. Let's do our curly k first. Up, down, 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 down. It doesn't matter if it doesn't look perfect, because remember, we're learning the journey of how to do a g. These looking brilliant. You can try as many different ones as you want. Use some different colours as well. That looks fantastic.